I'm going to show you how to do two different things in this video, how to play with color and also how to change the alignment of your text. So let's add a slide. We're just going to add the typical slide. Click inside the text box so you get all these options. Now I'm going to show you how to change the alignment. Alignment has to do with where the words are in your page. So all documents, slideshows, anything with text, the cursor automatically goes to the left side. It is left aligned. Okay, this right here is your align button, and there's several options. There's left, center, right. Those are the three we're really going to focus on because those are the three you would use the most. So let's type a word, and it's automatically left aligned. I'm going to hit enter. I'm going to type that word again, but this time I want to center it. So I'm going to go back here and choose center, and now the word is automatically centered on my page. Let's type it again, and let's right align it. Very rarely will you ever align something to the right, but it's important that you know how to do it. Let's go on to color. So color, I want to use a different layout. So I'm going to choose title and 2 columns. Let's title it color, and let's change the color of that word. So you select it, and then you go to this little pencil. No, I lied to you. You go up to the A, and that changes the text color. We'll change it to red. Now let's say we want to change the border of this box. Well, that's the pencil. And again, you can pick any color, change the border. Now when you click off it, it now has a pink border. Now in this box, I'm going to change the inside of the box. I'm going to fill it with color. So you go to the paint bucket, you click on it, and you choose a color. And that is how you change the color.